guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Jashri again. So today we're going to do a clothing haul. Basically, I bought some clothes from AGO, and I mean may or may not need these clothes because it's not going anywhere. And shopping is the coping mechanism which I use to escape from reality, which is my job. So after Shein was gone, I was looking for some place where I can buy 20 clothes which have good quality fabric and also in my budget. So I came across AGO. So let's see if it qualifies on our expectations or not. So the packages, I ordered all the clothes at once, and the packages came all one by one. So it was quite inconvenient for me, as I live on the 4th floor, and every time I have to go to the road because I don't want to annoy the delivery man to come up on the 4th floor every time. So hashtag my little problems. Talking about my problems, a spider bit me and it was not good. I don't know, I feel like in every video I'm struggling from one thing or the another, but that's life. So now let's start the haul. Before starting, I want to tell you one important thing which you should note, because while you're ordering for clothes, you should see the size chart for each and every piece, because every brand has different size. You might be an S, but for some brands an M or an XS may fit you, so please check the size chart before ordering. Now let's start the haul. Okay, before that I'll show you something which I got, and not sponsored again. Picture. I think it's so cool. I think accessories can rock a look. A simple t-shirt can look super cool if you exercise it properly. So also I know these don't go with the earrings, because I worn kind of a flowery earrings, but I wanted to use these earrings. I had them since a long time, but I never wore them. So let's start now. Haul time. First things first I got this t-shirt which I'm wearing. It's there's something written on it, I cannot read it now, and the prices are around 100 to 200 rupees. I don't remember, but I'll write the price here, and the brand was TNMX. I'm kind of sure, but I'll write the brand here, prices and brand. Okay, so first I have some criteria on which I'll judge. So first is cloth quality, and I think it's pretty okay. I think this will go a long time. I think the cloth is of good quality. And coming to style, I think it's pretty cool. It will look very, very good with a normal blue or black jeans. I think it will look amazing, and or with a black normal black jeans and a black choker. I think it will look super cool. Love it. Okay, so let's move on to the next t-shirt. I got 2 graphic t-shirts. So yeah, this has LA written on it, and it has an LA trees, typical LA trees picture. I'll show you. So yeah, this was it, and I think it was so cute. I wanted a graphic tee since a long time, and obviously we all love LA. So yeah, I got this, and I love it. I wore it with a black choker. I started with a black choker, and I think it looked amazing. I think the price was 122 something. It was pretty cheap. Totally worth it. Now let's talk about the next piece. Hey guys, it's voiceover Jashri here. My camera had some problems, so I don't know why this part was not recorded. So this was the shirt I was most excited about. It costed me around 600 rupees, and I've styled it with a necklace which I've bought in standard 11th, and I never ever wore it. And I like this shirt. I did not like the sleeve set kind of, but overall I bought it for an office look, because I'll be going to office super soon after COVID. So that's why I bought this shirt, and I think it was a nice purchase. It was a bit on the costlier end, because I think this was the costliest item of my haul, which it's costed around 600 or 700, I guess, I don't remember. And also I got this another kurta shirt. I don't know what it is exactly. So the problem with this was the buttons were a bit, you can see the skin between buttons, so I did not like that part. But apart from that, I loved the color. I bought this for color only. I don't know why I'm been obsessed with this color. So I think this was pretty cool, and I paired it with these earrings, and I like this. It was cool. So yeah. And also I got one top which I actually forgot to record. Hi guys, I don't know, there's some problem with my camera phone. Anyway, let's ignore it. So the next piece was this peplum ethnic top. It was blue in color, and I don't have much clothes. I don't have anything in this color. I mostly have black and blue clothes, and my mom hates this, so I'm trying to have a more colorful wardrobe. So I got this, and it has kind of an ethnic look, which I totally like. My sister hated it, I don't know why, but I loved it. It was worth 500 rupees, so I liked it. It could have been a little cheaper, but the thing is that I'm kind of used to buying cheap clothes from the local market, so that's why. But the price was not very costly, it was okay. Yeah. Also, I think I've showed you all the 5 clothes, and also I got this black parallel jeans. Hey guys, voiceover Jashri again. So I was trying to show you all the fit of the jeans. It was not very flattering, I'll be real. I did not like the fitting. It was not as expected, but it was okay. I think I might need to do some adjustment, or like filtering in this jeans. And look at my shoes. So yeah, I love those shoes. I love them. So yeah, this was the fit of the jeans. I got the wrong size for these pants, I think. So they were a bit loose, but I think I will do some stitching and adjustment, and they will look as cool as they're supposed to look. Hey guys, it's me editing Jashri. So I forgot to include one top, and it's around 11:30 p.m. and I'm really tired from my internship, so I'm in no mood getting dressed up. But I'll attach a picture here, and it was around 180 something. But I love that top. It was V-neck, and I love V-necks and square neckline. I just love. I think it looks very flattering on me, and don't mind my look. This is how I look after a hard day of work. I hate my job. I hate this. Literally, I hate this life. But anyways, that's not the point. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Back to beautiful Jashri. Bye. So yeah, guys, that was the clothing haul. Some of the clothes which I got, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun making this video. So comment down anything which you want to. Comment down anything which you want to tell me. If you have any video ideas or anything you want to share, do not forget to comment down. Bye bye. Next Sunday. Subscribe.